Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are discussing economic planning in India of Indian economy. We have already discussed history of planning in India, Niti Aayog, Planning Commission, types of economic planning and 5-year plans till 7th 5-year plan. Today we are going to discuss 8th 5-year plan to 12th 5-year plan. Let's come to 8th 5-year plan. It's 1992 to 1997. The 8th plan was postponed by 2 years because of political disturbance at the center, and it was launched after a worsening balance of payment position and inflation during 1990-1991. Then the finance minister Dr. Manmohan Singh launched India's free market reforms that brought the nearly bankrupt nation back from the edges. It was beginning of the liberalization, privatization and globalization in India. Thus, under pressure, the country took the risk of reforming all the socialist economy. Under this plan, the gradual opening of the Indian economy was undertaken to correct the deficit and foreign debt. Meanwhile, India became a member of World Trade Organization on 1st January 1995. क्या हुआ था? जो पॉलिटिकल डिस्टर्बेंस हुआ था, इसलिए 8th प्लान 2 ईयर के लिए पोस्टपोन हुआ था. देन इंडिया एक ऐसे सिचुएशन में आ गया था जो कि बहुत ही खराब सिचुएशन था इकोनॉमी के लिए. देन तब हमारे फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर थे डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह. वो क्या किए? फ्री मार्केट रिफॉर्म्स के, जो लिबरलाइजेशन, प्राइवेटाइजेशन एंड ग्लोबलाइजेशन को इंक्लूड किए. इसलिए क्या हुआ? इंडिया में तब से मिक्स्ड इकोनॉमी चल रहा है. अंडर दिस प्लान, the gradual opening of the Indian economy was undertaken to correct the deficit and foreign debt. So क्या हुआ? 1st जनवरी 1995 से वर्ल्ड ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का एक हिस्सा बन गया इंडिया. द प्लान undertook a various drastic policy measure to combat the bad economic situation and to undertake an annual average growth of 5.6%. Some of the main economic performance during 8th plan were rapid economic growth, high growth of agriculture and allied sector, and manufacturing sector growth in export and import, improvement in trade and current account deficit, and human resource development. The most notable feature of the 8th plan period was that GDP grew at an average rate of 6.8%, exceeding the target 5.6%. हमारा टारगेट था 5.6%, बट जीडीपी का जो ग्रोथ हुआ 6.8%. सो इट्स ए ह्यूज सक्सेस. और ये सक्सेस क्यों मिला? मिक्स्ड इकोनॉमी के लिए. इसका क्रेडिट इसलिए डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी को जाता है. देन कम टू 9th 5-year प्लान 1997 से 2002. इट वॉज डेवलप्ड इन द कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ 4 important डायमेंशन: क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ, generation of productive employment, regional balance and self-reliance. The plan is known for growth with social justice and equality. Growth rate GDP during plan was 5.4% annum as target of 6.5%. Target था 6.5% but हुआ growth 5.4%. Then आते 10th 5-year plan 2002 से 2007. The main objective of the 10th 5-year plan were attain 8% GDP growth per year, reduction poverty rate by 5% by 2007, providing gainful and high quality employment at least to the addition of the labor force, reduction in gender gaps in literacy and wages rate at least 50% by 2007. Agriculture sector declared as the prime moving force, that is PMF, of the economy. Increase emphasis on the social sector, education, health, etc. The 10th plan was expected to follow a regional approach rather than a sectoral approach to bring down regional inequalities. पहला टारगेट था 8% जीडीपी ग्रोथ होगा. देन रिडक्शन ऑफ पॉवर्टी रेट बाय 5%. 2007 तक 5% का रिडक्शन हो जाना चाहिए पॉवर्टी में. एंड जो पे पैरिटी का जो इम्बैलेंस था उससे एटलीस्ट और पे पैरिटी का और जो लिटरेसी का 50% का कम करने के लिए. देन 11th 5-year प्लान its main target था inclusive growth, rapid and inclusive growth, that is for poverty reduction, then emphasis on social sector and delivery of service and empowerment through education and skill development, reduction of gender inequality, again gender inequality का reduction, environmental sustainability, to increase the growth rate in agriculture industry and service to 4%, 10%, 9% respectively, means agriculture का 4% increase, industry का 10% and service sector का 9%. Then the reduce total fertility rate to 2.1, provide clean drinking water for all by 2009. The National Green Tribunals established in 2010 for effective expeditious disposal of cases relating to the environmental protection and conservation of forest and other natural resources. बार बार प्रीवियस ईयर में भी क्वेश्चन आया था कि इंक्लूसिव ग्रोथ कब स्टार्ट हुआ था, तो ये 11th 5-year प्लान से। देन आते हैं 12th 5-year प्लान, जो कि हमारा लास्ट 5-year प्लान 2012 से 2017, उसके बाद नीति आयोग आ चुका था, इसलिए 5-year प्लान और कंटिन्यू नहीं हुआ। It aimed a growth rate of 8%. This was the revised rate when compared to the initial approach paper. This plan focused on growth, faster growth, inclusive growth and sustainable development. Some memorable targets were economy, real GDP growth at 8%, agriculture 4% and manufacturing growth 10%. Every state must attain higher growth rate than the rate achieved during 11th plan. ये भी target था. Then poverty rate to be reduced by 10% than the rate of the end 11th plan, 5 crore new work opportunities and skill certificates in non-farm sector. Health. In health, reduce IMR, infant mortality rate to 25, maternal mortality rate to 1, increase child sex ratio to 950, reduce total fertility rate to 2.1, reduce undernutrition of child in age group 0 to 3 to half NFHS 3 level. In infrastructure, investment in infrastructure at 9% of GDP. Gross irrigated area 103 million hectare from 19 million hectare. Electricity to all villages, reduce AT&C losses by 20%, connect villages with all weather roads, national and state highways to a minimum of 2-lane standard, complete eastern and western dedicated foreign corridors, rural tells density to 70%, 40 liters per capita per day drinking water to 50% of rural population, Nirmal Gram status to 50% of all Gram Panchayat, and then in environment and sustainability, increase green cover by 1 million hectares every year, 30,000 MW renewable energy during 5-year period, emission intensity of GDP to be reduced to 20 to 25% of 2005 levels by 2020. That's all, and thanks for listening. All the best.